If your luggage was delayed, would you know what to do? Do you know that you can be compensated for your delayed luggage? Well, if you're interested in knowing how to go about making a claim for your delayed luggage and be compensated, then keep watching because this video is for you. Hey fellow travelers, this is Norman Payne from Up and Away. Thank you for stopping into my channel and welcome back. Did you know that you could be compensated for delayed luggage? It is true, but you must go along with the program they have set up and the claim process. I know that no one wants to be standing there when that conveyor belt stops and your luggage did not come through. It is a feeling that will make you sink. Your great vacation that you're going on can go from let's do it to hell no. But you need to know exactly what you can do so you can be fully compensated for that delayed bag. I love to travel. I love everything about it. I love planning the trips. I love packing for the trips. I love going to the airport. But it can turn ugly if my bags don't show up when I show up. Anybody who ever went through this know that feeling. I had it happen to me one time when I took a trip to Belize. It was a business trip, and when I got there, I had no luggage. I was dressed in a polo, some shorts. That's all I had. No toothbrush, no change of underwear. That is a feeling that will make you sink because where the hell are my bags? Anyway, I got through it. They sent the bag the next day, but I had to improvise. I did not know that you could be compensated for delayed luggage, but you can. Your bags are very important to you because everything is in it. I mean, your toiletries are there, your change of underwear, your other clothes, maybe some more shoes. Everything's in your bag. Sometimes you put your medication and your jewelry in there. Something I don't recommend, but people do it. So if your bags don't show up when you show up, you are out of a lot. So the first thing is if your bag is delayed, it does not come out, the conveyor belt stops, make a claim, report it to your airlines before you leave the airport. Do not leave the airport without making a claim. There will be some steps that you have to take to make a great claim. The claims are called PIR. It's a PIR form that you're gonna have to ask from your airlines. They're gonna want some details. Some of them you're not gonna have, but you need to get yourself prepared for this situation. One of the first things I suggest is get a packing list. When you're packing your bag, check off a list. Put that you got 6 pair of underwear and 6 t-shirts and 5 pair of socks and there's some dress shoes. Be sure that you have all of this documented and you can do it while you're packing. That is the best advice I can give you, is do it while you're packing. Secondly, a lot of people go shopping before they go on vacation. So keep the receipts, keep them together so that you're able to grab those receipts when you get home to make that claim. Do a packing list from the beginning. Save receipts. I save a lot of receipts for everything, probably too many, but I will have the receipts of things that I've purchased recently and maybe some things that I purchased a while ago. So save receipts. Another thing is take a picture of your luggage. Take a picture because sometimes your luggage can get damaged, but you don't have any way of proving that unless you take a picture. It's a horrible feeling if your luggage do come and it's only got 2 wheels. So that's a bad feeling. Since 2003, the International Airline Association had came up with something called the Montreal Convention. The Montreal Convention helps you to make a claim internationally. But you gotta remember, they only will pay you a minimal amount unless you can prove that it was more in there than I think it's like $2,000 or something like that they'll give you. So you have to be ready to try to get more of that back, not just the minimum that they're planning to give you. The airlines have gotten better with getting your bags at the airport when you arrive at the airport. They have gotten better because they know that you have some rights and they will have to pay. So they are a lot better, but they are not guaranteed. That's where you come in and you claim your loss fully. On the domestic side, the U.S. Department of Transportation, they will help you with this. It is on their website of what your rights are as a passenger on an airline. If you get to a foreign country or a smaller airport, your airline may not have a presence of a customer service office. In that case, make a call. Call your airlines. If you have their app, you probably have their phone number. Call your airlines. But once again, don't wait until you get home. Do it before you leave the airport. You want this claim to start the moment you realize your bag is not there. And if it's delayed, they have to take care of you. It's their fault. And you have to be ready. The U.S. Department of Transportation also says that they have to give you funds to take care of you while you're waiting for your bag. If you're not going home, then you need your toothbrush, your deodorant. They have to pay you for that. But the new rule is they just can't give you a little bit of money when your valuables are more than that. Your toiletries might cost more than what they're planning on giving you, but you have to be able to prove those things. And that's where a packing list comes in. You should be traveling with travel insurance coverage. Travel insurance coverage usually takes care of a delay of bags or lost luggage. Anything that you can't claim with your airlines, you want to be reimbursed for it. So if you have travel insurance, then there are policies that have delay of bags, lost bags. All of those things can be in a travel insurance package. Get travel insurance. Don't travel without it. There are annual policies out there for some people that travel frequently, but look into it. Please get some insurance because it will help you when unforeseen situations pop up. It will protect you. To wrap this all up, remember, make your claim before you leave the airport. Do a packing list at home when you're packing your luggage. Mark off how much you're putting in there, how many of these things, different items. Put that on a packing list. I have a packing list on my website, www.upupuptravel.com. Look on there, use that packing list every time you pack your luggage. Take pictures, keep receipts. All of these things will help you when you are making a claim for your delayed bag. If you've ever had a delayed bag, leave me a comment. Let me know how that situation went. How was the airlines? Did they reimburse you? Did they take care of you the way they need to take care of you? Also, subscribe to my channel today. Hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time I upload another video. Share this video with anyone you know that is traveling. They may not know that they have rights when their bag is delayed. That's all I have for you today. Until our paths cross again soon, I'll see you then. Peace.
please like this video, share it, and subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on all my social media. Just hashtag #UpUpUpNorman.